Hi there, hope you're well. Today we're going to make a turkey BLT toastie. This is really nice, really delicious, a really treat of a lunch, this one. Absolutely packed with protein and flavour. So what you will need for this one, you need some spring onions chopped finely, some sliced tomatoes, some chopped lettuce, some mayonnaise, generous amount of bacon, some turkey, and some lovely Gouda cheese. Pop that toast in the toaster, get it ready for you, cook it how you like it. Dark, light, your choice. Cook up the bacon and turkey, keep the turkey moist, the bacon crisp. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe. Now let's put this toastie together and make our turkey BLT. Be generous with the mayonnaise here. Get that all on little pieces. Slice of cheese. Next we're going to add on some tomatoes. Get those on, salt them a little bit first, maybe a little bit of pepper as well. Next add your lettuce, build up this turkey BLT really well. It's a nice high stacked toastie. Spring onion there. Nice blast of onion flavour. Don't worry about them falling off. Put plenty in there. So load up our meat next. So start with 2 slices of bacon. It could have been a bit crisper, but not too bad. No big barbecue. It's got a lovely barbecue taste to it. Next we pile up our turkey. Slice that up into bite-sized chunks, big bite-sized chunks, just for ease. Pile that turkey really high. Bit of spring onion. Top it off with your second slice of cheese. Then you're going to top it off with the other slice. Push that down there. Delicious turkey BLT toastie. This was absolutely lovely, a really nice lunch, a real treat, filled me up for the rest of the day. Really flavoursome, all these flavours work really well together. You really want to give this BLT toastie a try. It's a little bit tricky as you cut it in half. I had to make the knife work a little bit hard. And grab it hard as you eat it, because it does fall apart a little bit. But that's all in the fun, isn't it? So an absolutely delicious turkey BLT toasted sandwich. Give that turkey BLT a try. Let me know how you get on. Thanks for watching. I hope you give this a try, and as always, please like and subscribe.